doggies? Yeah, are they cute? They want to eat hair?
Yeah.
Eating hair is yucky.
Yeah, for little dogs and 20 doggies, they always sit down and they don't much.
I don't know who's the cutest.
My daughter.
Of course.
Dum, 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 dum.
Whoa.
Hey, hurry.
Oh.
Would she get dog hair in her mouth?
She totally just spit on your bed.
That's why the yucky blanket is on top to save.
Be gentle. Don't. You're stepping on Sheldon. Be careful. Oh, and oh, Sheldon, you're a saint.
Sheldon's a good boy.
Sheldon's a saint. Don't tackle him. Teddy, where'd you go?
I think he went downstairs.